Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Fitness and Wellness with Ratan EB. Today we're diving into a super important topic that affects us all, real food versus fake food. With so many processed options out there, it's becoming harder to tell the difference between what's truly healthy and what just seems like it. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, I'm breaking down simple three rules to help you spot the difference between real, nourishing foods and the ultra processed imposters. Whether you're shopping at the grocery store or cooking at home, these tips will help you make smarter, healthier choices. So, if you are ready to take control of your diet and fuel your body with the best, stick around because by the end of this video, you will be able to easily separate real food from fake food. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Your support means a lot. Let's get started. Here are some general principles for distinguishing between real and fake food, with an emphasis on scientific evidence from relevant journals. Rule number 1: the value of living foods. 1A. Living food, fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost the immune system and protect against disease. These nutrients support cell function, reduce inflammation, and combat oxidative stress.
Medical key points. Studies in antioxidants and disease prevention, nutrients, link diets rich in antioxidant filled foods to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders.
1B. Microbial attraction. Microbes are naturally drawn to whole, unprocessed foods because of they contain essential organic compounds for life and decomposition. This interaction signals freshness and nutrient density.
Medical key points. Research from Nature Reviews. Microbiology shows that consuming such foods positively impacts gut health and immune function.
1C. Natural changes. Real foods change over time, such as spoiling or color changes, which indicate they are free from preservatives.
Medical key points. Frontiers in Nutrition notes that foods undergoing natural spoilage are healthier, containing fewer synthetic chemicals and retaining more nutrients.
Rule number 2: recognize foods based on their sources. 2A. Farm fresh food, locally harvested. Farm fresh foods retain more natural flavor, texture, and nutrients compared to mass produced options. Free from artificial preservatives and chemicals, these minimally processed foods are linked to better nutrient intake and reduced risk of chronic diseases.
Medical key point. As noted in Plant Based Diets and Health, the New England Journal of Medicine, 2021.
2B. Kitchen foods. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds are nutrient dense, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats.
Medical key points. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets rich in these staples can lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers.
2C. Processed foods. Processing foods lose natural nutrients during factory production and are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium.
Medical key points. The Lancet review shows that regular consumption of ultra processed foods increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, and early mortality.
Rule number 3: the influence of advertising on food choices. Role of advertising. Advertising glamorizes processed foods using strategies that create cravings for products high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. These ads focus on convenience and fun while downplaying health risks.
Medical key points. Research in public health nutrition shows that exposure to such ads increases unhealthy food consumption, especially in children, contributing to obesity.
3B. Lack of healthy food advertising. Fresh whole foods lack the flashy marketing of processed products, making them less visible and appealing.
Medical key points. Food advertising and consumer food choices, appetite. 2018. notes that the absence of healthy food advertising leads to poor dietary choices, as consumers favor heavily marketed unhealthy options.
3C. Be cautious of advertised foods. Check labels for artificial additives, as claims like low fat or sugar free can be misleading.
Medical key points. The Journal of Nutrition stresses the importance of prioritizing whole, minimally processed foods to reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to healthier living. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on choosing real foods. Your support helps us spread the message of wellness and empower others to make informed choices. Together, we can create a healthier community.